Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
Today is May 25th, and it is 6:34 p.m. and we are at Islands of Adventure.
We just got here.
We just got here. Doing a late run tonight. The park is open till 9 this part? Yeah, all right. It was a bit of traffic. I-4 was kind of crazy. Parking, they only had like 2 of the stalls open to get in, so that was weird. We have Logan. Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
And so I think the game plan is I'm gonna go try and get a ride on Velocicoaster because it's got like a 45-minute wait. Jessica, I think, and Logan are gonna go
Pteranodon Flyers.
and Pteranodon Flyers. That's the plan. We would ride or swap a Logan, but it just takes
Too long.
It's just long. We don't have the time. So at least we all get to do some things. Join us. It should be fun. Looks like it was a really busy day here.
Yeah,
Comparison to like yesterday at SeaWorld, there was absolutely no one. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, I think a lot of people are going to the exit. So hopefully that's good for us. So the single rider line is open. So check that out. See how it goes for a single rider. We'll see how long it takes. It says 45 minutes on the clock right now. Let's set a timer. Got a timer going. See how long it actually takes. Got off Velocicoaster and man, it does not disappoint. Got the last row, which was awesome. It was super fast, tons of air time. Man, that was great. That is a great ride. I didn't think of the fact that I wouldn't be able to keep my phone on me. So I did check the timer when I got off the ride, and it was 36 minutes. So single rider is almost as fast as a regular. So yeah, that was awesome. Jess just texted me and said she's still in line for Pteranodon Flyers. So,
Are you ready to fly? Whee! Woo!
was that fun? So you rode that. What you want to do now?
I want to take Logan and fly to the Hippogriff.
You gonna fly the Hippogriff?
Yeah.
Cool. Do it. Logan, hold my hand. Ready to go ride the roller coaster? Ready to ride it?
Ready to ride with Daddy this time?
Roller coaster, that's right. Let's go. Thank you. Let's go ride the roller coaster. All right, baby. Ready to ride roller coaster? All right, let's go. Whee! You ready? Whee! Was that awesome? Right again. Yay! So it's 8:15. Got about 45 minutes left. Man, it's busy back here.
It's always busy.
I came in through here earlier and it wasn't this busy though. I don't know.
It's funny though, Mother's Day, like there was nobody here.
Yeah. It's wild. Logan's living the life right now. She got her some water. Got her a big old thing of popcorn. Hey baby. How's that popcorn? You like popcorn? See a triangle?
Yeah,
You want Day to head somewhere? Thank you.
Kendall and Logan are gonna ride the Seussical carousel, the Seuss carousel. There's words and I can't put them together right now. It's really cute. I don't think any of us have ever been on it because I don't know why, but they're gonna ride it. And I don't know, Logan's a thrill junkie. She might not like it. She likes Cinderella's carousel at Magic Kingdom, but we haven't been there in a long time, so we will certainly see.
Caro-Seuss-el ride is slowing down. Please remain seated until it finishes going round.
Was that fun? Okay, you're more interested in your popcorn. Was the carousel fun? Okay, good talk.
She had a great time on it. All right, well, I think that's gonna conclude our outing at Islands of Adventure for the night. It was fun. We had a few hours, we rode some rides. Got a decent amount of stuff done. Logan had popcorn.
Ate a lot of popcorn.
Logan ate a lot of popcorn. Logan is not gonna be eating dinner tonight. Not happening.
Nope.
But yeah, it was fun. It was nice. It wasn't that hot.
Nope, just crowded.
Yeah, pretty crowded, but 35 minutes and I did Velocicoaster and we didn't wait for really anything else.
I waited longer for Pteranodon Flyers.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome. All right, well, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you at the next one.
Bye.
Bye.